Sir, a very good morning to you. Appreciate you joining us here on First Take. I mean, we were just talking about jewelry and gold stocks, how they have done fairly well in the last, 5 days. Some of these stocks have given double-digit returns. Anything looking attractive in this space to you?
Yeah, Suyash, good morning. Yeah, the gold stocks have been in the earlier year, they have been underperformers. Suppose stocks like Kalyan Jewelries and Thangamal Jewelries, most of these stocks have been underperformance. As what we can see is right now, the unlocking of trade, the pent up demand is coming towards the gold and jewelry, and people started celebrating the weddings and all. So there is a pent up demand we can see with respect to the jewelry stocks are concerned. Most of these stocks have been rallying this Diwali. We can see definitely it's a pent up demand towards the high consumption. As far the jewelry stocks are concerned, two things we need to consider. One is when the economy is doing well, when the disposable incomes of the people are going up, people tend to do these kind of uh, this kind of consumption of jewelry. So this year has been the economy has been so robust, the domestic consumption has been uh, strong. So this is the reason we can see some kind of strong activity with respect to the jewelry stocks are concerned. But our favorite remains to be the we need to stick with the leader at this point of time. So by and large, whatever be the reason, we want to stick with stocks like Titan and the companies who have a pan-India presence and a limited presence in one geography. We're looking forward for the large cap companies in this space with high corporate governance and having a pan-India presence at this point of time.
Good morning, sir. You spoke about Titan. Now I'm just looking at their year-on-year returns for the 1 year. Titan is at 24.38%, but the three names that stand out are Kalyan, which over the year have given returns of 227.8%, Senco
I'm
73.95%,
not
and
able to hear.
Thangamayal 171%. What do you make? Do you think it's time for investors to look at these three stocks as well?
Uh, it is more stock specific at this point of time. Okay, it all depends upon the risk appetite of the investors, and also as far the jewelry stocks are concerned, we need to take into cognizance of the high corporate governance and the level of management. Also, this is also an important theme. One need to take when anyone want to be in this thing as a serious investment decision. Okay, my advice to the investors is stick to the leaders and companies with a high corporate governance and more transparency with respect to the jewelry stocks are concerned.
And Kranthi, before we move on to Indian markets, one final question on gold. I mean, we have seen a bit of a correction in spot gold prices has come off about $50 from that $2,000 crisis level that we have been calling it. What's the view there, sir? Is there more upside left? Because, I think we are about $150 away from that all-time high level on spot gold.
So there's two things that determines by and large the price of global gold price. One is how the what the central bank action towards the monetary policy, and also gold can be perceived in two ways. One is if there is a fear in the market, in the global markets, then the safe haven, the money flow will get into the gold. And also, if the economy is extremely doing well, then the disposable incomes tend to get into the gold. So there are extreme ends. One is there is a complete euphoria with respect to the economy is concerned. The other end of the market is there is a fear in the market. So during these phases, the demand for gold will go up. So recently, a few fortnight, okay, there was a extreme fear in the market. People are running for the safe haven, that is gold, and right now what we can see is there was a uptick in the gold prices at that point of time. Okay, what I can pursue is in the near term. Okay, we can see some kind of price consolidation with respect to the gold price is concerned. Of course, uh, as you rightly mentioned, this year the gold has outperformed the silver prices. But our long-term view is silver is going to outperform gold on a longer-term perspective because of the industrial demand silver pursues in the medium to long term.